Tired of manually adding new English words to your eJOY workbook? Try this way to add your entire vocabulary list to eJOY in seconds. Here's how it works. Prepare your word list file. You can use Word or Excel. Separate each word and its meaning with a comma, tab, or hyphen. Separate each word, pair with a semicolon or a new line. Next step, open the eJOY website, select Start Learning Now, then log in with your account and go to the Word Bank section. Here, you choose the word book you want to add words to. Click the Import Words option. In the new window, select the separator, either tab, comma, or symbol, depending on your file. Then open your word list file and copy all the content. Paste it into the highlighted field on eJOY. Click Check to verify. Review your word list. If everything looks good, click Import to finish. And that's it. Now you can learn your vocabulary directly on eJOY with full features like pronunciations, images, examples, and more. Happy learning! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the eJOY YouTube channel for updates on new features.